$2,000 later, man, after I done got this car ready.
I do the dummy retarded and ride the yellow bus. Turn the car in circles until the time's bust. Out the window like cuss. On the hood of the scraper like
Lucky's Wheels and Deals. We back at it again with another lit video, y'all. Man, we're on our way to go pick up Super Ant's Impala SS. We got Melly.
What's up, you guys?
We got Money Making.
What's up?
Ant back there. Super Ant. I was about to say Money Making Shine. Money Making Shine is no longer with us right now. He's out there riding that Camaro Z28 on a nice day like this. But anyways, guys, man, I can't wait. I'm so excited. Probably more excited than Ant because I've been wanting to see. I want to see what my mechanics can do at this shop, and I want to show y'all what they can do because that body was fucked up on the side. So I want to see how good they do. We all gonna see it. If it's not good, I'm gonna get it on camera. If it's good, I'm still gonna get it on camera. Either way it go, I'm gonna get it on camera, and we're gonna find out how good they really are. You know what I mean?
So Anthony was the flunky?
Guinea pig.
The guinea pig?
No, I've been using them, but I never sent them. Well, I did have them do that door job, but I want to see what they do on that body, because you can't just swap it out. You know what I mean? Unless you start welding and doing that. I want to see their skills though. You know, body. I want to see their skills. You know what I mean? Okay. So, hey, I'm ready. I can't wait. And now I'm picking up that damn raggedy ass Toyota Corolla.
That motherfucker is raggedy.
I should never bought that shit. I'm probably gonna lose money on it. I'm probably gonna break even something. I already sold the G6 this morning, so I already made that money. I just posted it this morning or last night or whatever. I made the video yesterday. If y'all haven't seen that, go watch that. But I already sold that. I had it up not even a day on Instagram.
Right, a couple hours. Huh?
Yeah, a couple hours on Instagram. So I sold that. We're gonna pull up here and we're gonna see what this car look like. We're gonna see if the door handles make a difference in the car. I gotta go to Walmart, go get some hubcaps for it, spray paint the rims, and get some floor mats, maybe a steering wheel cover. I don't know, we'll see. But we're on to the next. We'll see y'all at the mechanic shop. Look at him. Oh, y'all. I don't know. I know, right?
Brand new.
Shit, I don't know.
I gotta get out. Hold on.
I got to get this, y'all. I got to get this. Let's go look at this, y'all. I gotta look at this work, and we gotta get Ant's reaction, y'all. Hey, by the way, I'm finally not wearing my own merch. You know, we are Venom, so y'all know I got the Venom shirt. Think Ant, dang, they got your bumper back. They did do pretty good.
Yeah. Brand new. This is all messed up.
Dang, look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Oh, they fixed this too. They fixed the dent that was right up here. They fixed all this. Painting a whole new bumper.
It's a whole new bumper. Ooh, when you wash this,
oh, now you gotta go get the spray waxing. Oh, they got you right, Ant. They got you right.
Yeah, but don't use the
they got you right. That's why y'all buy them wreck and buy them a little cheaper, put a little money in them. Cause shit, I sold him this car dirt cheap. But he put that little money into it and got it fixed. Hey. So I guess I got some good body, man, now. Hey, that said it all right there. Cause this shit right here was messed up.
It was messed up. This is smooth now.
Smooth, huh? Hell yeah.
And look at the gloss in it.
Oh yeah. I like that. And they got that shit like it. Look, they fixed all this shit. They got all that shit straight.
That part.
Man, that shit was fucked up. The door too, this door was hit. All this shit was hit. You gotta watch the whole thing. I know it's all that shit. That
like
shit.
it, Ant? It was brand new. Yeah. That's what's up. That's what's up.
I don't know, are they done with the other cars? Let's go see what this Toyota Corolla look like. See. What's going on, man? Did you get me right? They did a good job on that. Oh yes, oh yeah. Better. Hopefully I can make more money on it. Oh, you fixed the seatbelt? Oh, okay. Oh, there we go. Did you have to get another one, or you just picked up? It was just stuck. Okay. Got the Copart SS. Oh man. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, that's good. You guys already welded or not yet?
No,
not yet. Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
It's ready for tomorrow.
Okay. Oh, you got to weld it? You still have to weld it, you said?
Yeah, I need the welding. There's no welding right now.
Oh, okay. So yeah, just call me tomorrow.
Yeah, well, I don't know if we need the inner frame or it's 5.
Was there one? Did you have one?
Inner frame there? No, I can buy it.
No, you don't have to. No, that's good. I like that. Came out good. Yeah, that looks way better now. Way better. Copart SS will be ready tomorrow. Yeah. We're gonna have to get that one tomorrow, y'all. It's gonna be ready tomorrow, so we're gonna check it out. Y'all watch tomorrow's video and y'all will see that. Man, they did a good job on this, man. It made me want to buy a whole bunch of wreck shit from Copart, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Make me want to buy a whole bunch of wreck stuff. Y'all see it? You happy, ain't? So tomorrow in the morning we're gonna go to the tent shop, right? Oh, you gonna remove all that shit? You want to all? I think yeah. You gotta get all dark. You gonna remove all this tent and put all new tent. And you gonna tint the front windshield too? Nah. No, you can't see that damn thing. All right, y'all. I'm about to hop up in this damn raggedy ass Corolla again. But anyways, man, this thing gonna be for sale. I'm about to get it all cleaned up, washed up, and get some pictures and get it online and get it sold. So we got this beat up, ugly, dirty car. You can see how nasty it look. I just sprayed a whole bunch of this all over the car. Cause look how nasty it is. You see all that nasty grime? Yeah, I just sprayed the whole car. I ain't gonna let it sit on there that long. Spray these wheels up. Yeah. You know? Get that all on there. Spray some on there. Yeah. This thing all ready to go. Bring this shit back to life though. Hey, in the game. Already went to Walmart. Got my whole little kit, y'all, back here. You see I got my steering wheel cover, my wheel covers, and my floor mats. So y'all, let's get it, man. I'm about to go finish spraying this car down with the degreaser, Purple Power. And then I'm gonna spray it all off. And by the way, if y'all guys asking, they could have fixed this, but I just wanted them to push it out because it was really smashed in. But I wasn't trying to spend that much money. I just told them just to pull it out for me. Just trying to be a little cheap, save a little bit of money. Y'all seen the kind of other work they do though. Y'all seen Impala earlier. Oh yeah, I could have had them fix this perfect, but fuck that. Y'all see it's a dent right there. It's gonna be a little cheap ass car, just a good get around. Well, yeah, we're gonna change the whole look with it. Let's get this thing ready.
Hey, luggage, wheels, and deals, sit up the Copart. Money in my pocket, let me see what I'ma cop. I'ma swerve in the lot, get a whip, fix it up. I'm a beast with a flip, yeah, the money don't stop. Sub and like and leave a comment for real. The video's coming, you just wait for the drop. Tell your friends they're gonna share this hill. You can catch me snooping around in the lot, hey.
Let me turn this down a little bit of AC. Over there blowing ice cold. After driving this car for a while, being in it for a while, it's not so bad. It's not as bad as I thought it would. And the car cleaned up pretty good, so we're gonna see what it looked like when we we're gonna see what it looked like when we get to our destination, because it's pretty clean. So I'm gonna paint the rims, put the hubcaps on, put the steering wheel cover on there, put the floor mats in there. Now see how rusty that look? You gotta dress them up just a little bit, man. Just a little bit, just a little bit. And And by the way, I'm over here at my location I like to take pictures at. So we're gonna just put that first coat on there. We're gonna come to this other one and do the same thing. Okay, now, even on the fucked up side, y'all see that the hubcaps do make a difference, make the car look way nicer and more newer. Now it's starting to look like something. That's not even looking as bad. But we go on this side, no hubcaps, make the car look all the way different. It cleaned up pretty good, by the way. See, big difference. Hubcaps is a must. You see I got it all cleaned up on top. Floor mats is a must. Steering wheel cover, oh yeah, this is definitely must. This was kind of all tore up on the side. Okay guys, here goes the final product. And it does want to get windy when I pull out the camera. That's stuff funny. But y'all see it, man. Looking good. I think I brought it back to life. I can make it a car again. It's a car again. Brought it a long way from when I first got it. Man, it wasn't even drivable. Let's start it up one time for them. Y'all love them Toyotas, don't y'all? Did not spray the motor off or cleaned it. I might clean it later. I don't know. I'm afraid to spray it. I might wipe it down though. I'll just wipe it down with spray and a towel. That's about it. I'll probably wipe it down later or tomorrow. But yeah, man, it sounds good. Rides good. And there you have it, y'all. If y'all interested, hit me up. Lucky Luciano on Facebook, Lucky Wheels and Deals on Instagram. If y'all interested, man, hit me up. Ain't no point in me dropping a price on here, and y'all can't even message me like that to do business. Look at the inside. One time, everything's working. Got the door handles fixed on both sides. Got the windows working. All the windows working now. So they fixed me up, y'all. Yeah, they fixed me up. They fixed me up, man. They hooked me up. $2,000 later. Nah, I'm just playing. $2,000 later, man, after I got this car ready. Now I'm about to ask 4 or 5 grand for this car. Nah, I'm just fucking with y'all. But anyways, guys, I'm on to the next, man. Let's go get this Sunfire ready. This thing got way more power than that Corolla. It's got that Ecotech 2.2. Little thing get down through there. Let me go. All I gotta do is spray this car off and wipe it down a little bit, man. It's a little nasty, a little disgusting. So I'm about to just spray it off, wipe it down. Everybody up here washing, so I guess I'll just wait. But in the meanwhile, I'm just gonna start spraying this so I can start wiping everything down. Still over here waiting, spraying this. Yeah, look how nasty this shit is. Y'all see that shit I gotta clean up? With this Fabulosis, clean up pretty good. Clean up real good. Yeah. Spray a little more of that. This shit's nasty. Oh, it look like he's leaving. Let me pull in. It ain't that dirty. Well, it does got a lot of verses on it. Never mind, I take that back. It's not super dirty. I had Ant driving it while his Impala was in the shop. So now I got it back. All cleaned up. Good thing I don't have to buy no steering wheel cover. Good thing I don't have to buy no floor mats. Well, I'm not gonna buy no floor mats. There is no floor mats. The carpet's clean enough. And I don't have to buy no hubcaps because they was already on there, so I don't have to do that. That's a clean ass Chevelle right there. Man, I love them old school Chevelles. But anyways, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my pictures, do a little walk around for y'all. Y'all see it, man. The grind don't stop, man. Y'all see it. Already got the hubcaps. And no, I could take these off and paint them black under, but man, I'm being lazy. I don't feel like doing it. I think it should still sell make the money that I'm gonna be asking for it. 9 times out of 10, the prices I post them for is the prices I'm gonna get. Cause I price them so good already. You know, y'all don't even have to try to talk me down. They're already priced down low enough. Y'all see it, man. Let me get this key and start this bad boy up for y'all. Let's see, I got it all cleaned up, wiped down. It's not nasty in there no more. You know, the thing is, y'all gotta have a vision with these cars, man. Scare money don't make no money. Started right up. This Old Faithful, old Pontiac. Show y'all this motor. See it? Sounds good. Like always, this motor's always are pretty good. Rev it up for y'all a little bit. Motor strong. Shit, man. Y'all hit me up if y'all interested, man. Lucky's Wheels and Deals on IG, Instagram. If you want to know what I'm selling them for, I'm telling y'all, don't miss out. I got deals, man. They go pretty quick. If you don't see it on my IG, that means it's gone. It's gone. It's sold. Like I said earlier, I posted a G6. What, like 8 hours, and then 8 hours after I sold it. So hey, man, that's why I don't have no inventory. What's the point of having an inventory online if I sell them as soon as I get them? I don't plan on keeping these cars that long anyways to even put them online, to even have an inventory. Sorry about the wind noise, man. I do got to get a mic or get something for this GoPro so I can make it sound better. But anyways, for now, y'all gonna have to deal with it. Matter of fact, let me just go inside the car. Psych. Well, yeah, man, I appreciate the whole Lucky Nation. Thanks for everyone doing donations, buying the merch, supporting the whole movement, man. But just like that, this video is over. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe. Lucky's Wheels and Deals, and I'm out. Yay!
About breaking down the dough, when I just stole the key. Got a bitch to cool me down up in the booth, cause I might overheat. I can't believe it took millions of views for you to notice me. I can't believe